What's up, fam? It's been a while, almost 5 weeks-ish since I made my last video, but I'm back. School's sort of dying down. I'm sort of like cruising a little bit, and so I can go ahead and take a break and finally get back on YouTube. So the stock we're going to be talking about is Energy Transfer. I pulled up their homepage right here. No, that's cute. I think it's cute. Blah, blah, blah. Our boy Rick right here. We're proud to have one of America's largest energy portfolios with assets covering 38 states and Canada and international offices in Calgary and Beijing. Our core operations include transportation, storage, and terminaling for natural gas, crude oil, NGLs, refined products, and liquid natural gas. I'm a huge guy on innovation. When I see this company, I definitely think innovation. Led by bold thinkers. Anything to do with making the world better than it is, I support it. So I wouldn't mind putting my money in a company like this, especially if they're going to pay me dividends just to own stock in the company at a certain time. So we can go ahead and keep talking about this. This is their press releases coming out. Let's see. Exploring the news. Yeah, they're just doing, quarterly cash distribution. Boom, the first thing that pops up, which is literally what we're going to talk about today, and earnings call dates. So there's two huge catalysts coming up for this company already that is going to make the stock go up. Well, we can go ahead and read the press article, or I could just tell you about it. I'm just going to tell you about it. So the two things that are making this company stock value go up would be that they have their earnings statements coming out. Their earnings call should be on May 6th. I'm pretty sure that's right. Let me just confirm real quick. Right here, the company will conduct a conference call on Thursday, May 6th, blah, 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 discuss quarterly results and provide a company update, as well as a dividend payout on, get this correct, May 10th? Yes, May 10th. So their annual dividend yields at about 61 cents. So what that means is that their quarterly payout's going to be around 15 cents because there's four quarters in a fiscal year. So it's going to be about 15-cent payout. Those of you who don't know what dividends are, basically it's a sort of payment / incentive to own shares of stock within that company. Basically, you hold that stock for a certain amount of time, and or by this listed date that they have, they will pay you like a reimbursement sort of thing, sort of like a reward. So let's say this stock right now, let's go to, here it is on their monthly chart of ET currently. You can also look at their profile real quick on here. It's pretty much the same thing that we saw on their webpage thing right here. They've been listed for a long time. Not long, but long for me because I'm pretty young. But anyways, let's go to their chart for the month. We're sitting at currently around $8.61. I bought in this company I bought like about $1,000 worth of this company back when it was at about $7.95, and I can actually just check that real quick to confirm because we know these numbers don't lie out here. So ignore that. $8.59 currently. Yeah, so I bought in about $1,047, 120-ish shares. I'm gonna try and build that up by the time May 10th hits. Average price paid $7.95. I made some decent money because I bought during this whole, weird little crap fest that the markets had these past 4 weeks. And I feel bad because I really wanted to come and talk about it, but I've just been so busy with work and stuff, I haven't really been able to. Work and school has been, taking a piece of me. But anyways, they're sitting at about $8.61 currently. Obviously made a decent amount of money back just for holding shares in it. So basically what will happen is, if you're holding shares of this company by May 10th, you will receive that quarterly dividend rate of 15 cents per share you have. Right now I have 120 shares. So let's say I'll just do the math real quick on here just to show. But actually I have a better idea. Let's do it on the calculator right here. Calculator. So if I have 15 cents, it's technically 15.25-ish times how many current shares I have, which is like 120. Let me check again, I forget. 121. I would end up getting $18.45. It doesn't seem like a lot, but once you have a lot, like a lot of a company, like I may only have 120 shares right now, but you get to 200, 300, 400, like 1,000 shares of that, especially while it's sitting so cheap compared to other high paying out dividend companies. Like that stuff adds up. So $18 is $18. Take your money and go with it. But that's something I want to get into the habit of more now. Finding companies with close payout dates, get my position in, buy as much of it as I can by that position date, and then be able to take that money and reinvest it into whatever companies I also, other companies I also support. Another thing, seeing this company doing so well currently, like I also put options in for this company. I put in calls thinking that this stock will go up within the next week or so, because if you think of it like this, like no matter how much of the volume is within the company right now or circulating within your market right now, like people want to hold that stock. So people are going to hold the stock at least up until this day. They may not be holding it right now. They could probably sell a position on May 9th and then get a position May 10th. Have their position set by May 10th to get that payout. You know what I'm saying? So the value could just spike like when we start getting closer and closer to that time frame. And so I believe that the company will start going up. It's currently at like $8.61. A lot of people say it's around a $12 to $15 per share company. I believe it could easily hit 9 or 10 within the next couple weeks or so. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want everyone to know, like, if you want dividends, if you want to get paid for holding stock in a company, get paid for this, because it's right around the corner. It's already May 1st. Yeah, it's already May 1st. So we might as well get up in there, get that money, and go ahead and get out, or do whatever you got to do. I support this company regardless. It could definitely it has a long-term potential for me. And plus the earnings statements coming out, we're going to see, right? And so, I just had to let you guys know, like, keep up with it. I'll keep showing updates and stuff like that. More videos to come, especially because I'm moving to Korea in less than a month. So we're going to go ahead and keep this going. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me.